everybody. Olga Mandodari is here. Wanted to share with you, I arrived from Los Angeles recently. Absolutely enlightened by information I received at the Conscious Life Expo. It's becoming more and more popular. Thousands of people, hundreds of presenters. It's just overwhelming with very interesting and beautiful information. But today is about my upcoming seminar in New York City. Tomorrow I'm going to New York City to Shivananda Vedanta Yoga Center in Manhattan. And I would like to invite you to this seminar, which would be I will be talking about how to organize your space to make it more comfortable, but also energetically resonating with you, which will give you additional energy, enthusiasm to move forward. This lecture will be based on very ancient teachings of Vaastu Shastra. Vaastu is pure energy in Sanskrit, Shastra teachings. It's about 15,600 years old. Teachings, this school is coming from South India, specifically Tamil Nadu. My guru was Ganapati Stapati. He built this huge statue of Tiruvalluvar. At Kanyakumari, it's similar like Statue of Liberty in New York. So he was an amazing man, and I was so thrilled and blessed to study from him. Anyhow, so I'm going to introduce these teachings to those who don't know anything about it, but also I would like to give a deep information about structure of space, how to organize our home, our rooms, our houses, in order to create energetic resonance of your human energy, resonating with space where you live, and how the space is connected to the universal grid of energy. So we will talk about all these things, and we'll talk about simple things: where to sleep, where to work at home, or where to find your desk, which is the best position for you, things like that, because it's all interconnected. So we will talk about all these interesting things, and plus we will have a very beautiful meditation session in Vaastu space. I'm going to bring Vaastu meditation Vimana. Vimana is a flying chariot, and we're going to meditate in that structure. So that structure is calculated very carefully according to the ancient teachings to give experience to people, to find out more on the personal experience, how Vaastu or pure energy space can affect our consciousness, our mind, and our body. And people have beautiful experiences. I traveled with the structure through Europe, United States, Canada, Bahamas. So people have great experiences. And so we will do this in New York. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry about snow. There is snow still in New York, but you can take a metro. Shivananda Vedanta Center is in Manhattan, and you take a metro and you're there. And my seminar will be held on February 28th at 10:30 a.m. till midday. Okay, so I'll see you there, and I'll bring my books. Thank you. Mandodari is here.